What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a different dynamic. Today I'm going to show you how to meal prep and make it quick and efficient and delicious. So nonetheless, we're going to actually start off with the carbs, going into the veggies, and then protein will be last. So follow along and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Like, smash that thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be giving some awesome value today. So let's get to it. So we're starting off with the carbs first. We're going to start off with the white rice, everything bagel seasoning, pink Himalayan sea salt, and minced garlic for some flavor. So one thing I like to do with the rice is actually clean it. As you can see, if you add water to it and let it sit there for a minute or two, the water is going to get clouded and white. So it's just going to make the rice taste better. Don't ask me what it is. I don't know. But I will tell you this, that the rice will taste better. So let it sit there for a minute. Put a lid on it. I think this is actually, yes, cool. Take this approach. Right. Alrighty, we are done. Now we start adding the garlic and the sea salt to give it some flavoring. Get some minced garlic. It's a bigger bowl here, or a bigger pan, or a bigger pot. We'll put about a half a spoon right here. Let's not mess up the pan. Stir it up. Sea salt. Stir. Just a little bit of everything. Alright, so the trick is with the water in the rice, we want to fill it up just where it's all a timing thing. You're going to want the water right above the rice, but it's going to be a timing thing. This isn't something you could just put your water in and then just go watch some TV. You're going to have to time it because you're going to want to stir it. That's what's going to have the consistency of the rice coming out soft and the texture not being so hard and grainy. Another key is the lid. The lid, sealing it, is going to allow the rice to cook thoroughly throughout the whole pot and not have any, soft rice, hard rice consistency throughout the whole pot. Guys, your boy almost messed up. Another key ingredient is to get extra virgin olive oil or whatever type of oil you want to use, because this is going to make the rice feel soft, have that soft texture as well, with the combination of the lid and the water with you stirring it and timing it right. So that's why the carbs are kind of like the thing that takes the most time, because of the timing of it and stirring it. But other than that, the protein is going to be self-explanatory and the vegetables are going to be super simple as well. So don't forget to add some olive oil. Not too much, just enough so that you can stir it around and that every grain gets lubricated with the oil, so to speak. Here we go. Another key tip is to keep the heat at a low to mid so that we don't overcook it quickly and that it could just sit in the pot and cook within itself. And then we go into our vegetables, which we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna get the mixed vegetables that consists of blended carrots, corn, green beans, and peas. And then we're gonna do the broccoli florets already cut up so we don't have to spend any time cutting these bad boys up. And then we're going to spray the pan with some non-stick olive oil. I guess it's mixed broccoli. With cauliflower florets, orange carrots, and yellow carrots. surprise. Now we add whatever seasoning you want to add on top of it. I'm actually gonna spray the top of it. Just quickly, boom. We're gonna do some pink sea salt. Get some honey garlic. Spread them out. Bake, and we'll go into probably 375. Start. So that'll be our veggies. We're gonna throw them in, and then we'll start in on our protein. So this is what I wanted to show you guys here. I don't want to get too all over the place. I want to stick to the carbs and then go into veggies, and then we'll finish off with the protein. But you definitely want to stir this up just to check the consistency. Right now it's looking like it's gonna be okay. We might need to add a little bit more water, but we'll see here in a bit. Throw the lid back on. All right, so one of our protein sources are going to be the mahi fillet. Nicole, the queen, oven's ready. Nicole, the queen, is over salmon, so she wanted to switch it up. So we're gonna do mahi fillet, which we'll use garlic salt, lemon pepper, and some Himalayan pink salt. And I might drizzle some honey on top of it just for a hint of sweetness. So you can play around with flavors how you want. The fish isn't that bad as long as you have some spray so that it doesn't stick to the pan. All right, so I had to kind of butcher the fish in order for it to fit on the pan. I wasn't expecting it for it to be that big. That's what she said. Anyways, let me show you the rice. Can you see here now? There you go. So if you can see the consistency, a little sticky, but you can feel it with the spatula if it's hard or not. The grains are hard, but just mix it up. And if you see the steam, notice there's no water in there. So with that steam, it's hot. Take your lid, place it on there, and just let the steam cook within itself. And you're gonna notice the texture of your rice is going to be leveled up, essentially. And yeah, let's go back to the protein. All right, so we're ready to put the veggies in the oven. This one. Overlapping them a little bit, it's okay. Cool. Ooh, that rice though. And we have the mahi is ready and seasoned. I haven't added honey to it yet. We might add it post afterwards, so. But this is just one of our protein sources. We're gonna have steak and chicken as well. This one's for the lady. The steak and the chicken will be for me. So hopefully you guys are following along and enjoying so far. Smash the thumbs up. So the rice is done. We're gonna go ahead and just portion it out in our Tupperware containers. Oh, yep, made a mess. Awesome. Oh shoot. Ah, my eyebrows. Now this actually really works. Voila. Oddly enough, the portion size came out perfect actually. Now we're just missing the protein, which is in there. The mahi-mahi. Now, the only thing is, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to make the steak and the chicken because I have to go to work right now. So, might have to add a part 2 to this video. But stay tuned. Alright guys, so I won't be able to cook the chicken, but I will, however, be able to cook the steak. So we'll have a variety of fish and beef. Hopefully this is all coming together on your end as well, and it's pretty self-explanatory, simple yet effective. The only thing that was complex is the rice, which is the timing and the stirring, but everything else, you put a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of non-stick oil sprays, and then you pick your source of protein. I'm gonna do the steak now, so follow along. I was letting it thaw out, but it's still a little frozen, but it's okay. I always just try to cut it up into smaller pieces so that it cooks quicker and more efficiently. I'm not a blood dripper. I don't like my steaks dripping blood. All right guys, a little Himalayan pink salt, a little steak and chop, just a little bit. Smokehouse Maple by McCormick. Gives it a nice little like sweet hint. The minced garlic as well. And let's execute. Oh baby, we cooking. All right, put them in. And here's the mahi-mahi. I know it's a little butchered. That's because I had to cut it. But the only difference is I switched it from bake. After I baked it for 20 minutes, I hit broil so that it would cook the top and just give it a nice little golden brown. Little golden bronze on there. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this honey, full focus, and just a slight drizzle. Just to give it a nice little sweet taste to it. And we'll also put that in the meal preps. And there you have it. There you have it, everyone. That concludes the video. Thank you for staying till the very end. You guys are awesome. As you can see, simple yet effective. All you need is some rice, mixed veggies, and some protein of your choice. Quick and effective, an hour and a half. You'll have meals for the whole week. And the next video, we're gonna do a protein dessert. It's gonna be super simple, 3 ingredients, and you can literally do it in your microwave, so I'm excited for that. But as always, smash the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you guys are awesome. Love you guys for the support. The channel is growing, and I'm getting excited. And until the next one, you guys are awesome. Peace.